Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So again, we're trying to build up to the 4090 Founders Edition giveaway, right? And then as you all know, it's an exciting week, right? So we got the 5090 coming out this week on the 30th, so this Thursday. So I'm going to try to get one of those as well for a future giveaway. But until then, what I have for you guys, we have a podcasting kit here, headphones, pop filter, microphone, perfect for a starter. Also, we have a Razer Siren mini mic as well for any type of streaming that you guys do. I have a phone grip for you guys. End of the video, I'll give you a demonstration on why I think this is actually a pretty cool phone grip. From Turtle Beach Recon 50s. These are for the Nintendo Switch, but also I hooked this up to my PC as well, so it works with your PC. Moving forward, we have from Thermalright, the Peerless Assassin RGB CPU cooler. So I'm going to combo this with another set of fans, RGB as well. This is what they look like. This is a 3-pack, so there's 3 fans inside here. And then for the first giveaway, I think I'm planning on wanting to give the icon lights away. So your Xbox and PlayStation. I'll give you a demo, let you see how these work. Right, so you have your Xbox and PlayStation. Stay tuned for a future video on how you can win one of those two. All right, but like I said, I wanted to show you guys how this grip works. It's from Snap, right? So I actually have one on my phone as well. So it looks like this, right? So I like it because if you're a gym goer, if you don't want to put your phone on the ground, right, you can put it on the rack that if it's metal, right? So if you don't want to put it on the ground, find a metal rack, right, and it sticks right on, right? It doesn't come off. It's pretty strong actually. So yeah, so stay tuned for future videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Please follow on my other socials as well, which is Instagram and TikTok. I'll have the links down in the description below. And yeah, so thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.